Welcome all. This is Dr. T. Jani Shiba, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to present you a video lecture in the course GE 8291 Environmental Science and Engineering. The title is Human Population and Environment, and today's lecture topic is Introduction to Population Growth. Let us go into the video. So after listening to this topic, you will be able to define population growth and also list the causes and issues related to population growth. So let me introduce you to some of the relation between a human population and the environment. Our global human population is 7.8 billion at present and will cross 8 billion mark by the near future. The needs of this large number of human beings cannot be supported by the Earth's natural resources without degrading the quality of human life. In the near future, fossil fuel from oil fields will run dry. It will be impossible to meet the needs for food from existing agrosystems. Pastures will be overgrazed by domestic animals, and industrial growth will create ever greater problems due to pollution of soil, water, and air. Seas will not have enough fish. Larger ozone holes will develop due to the discharge of industrial chemicals into the atmosphere, which will affect human health. Global warming due to the industrial gases will lead to rise in sea levels and flood all low-lying areas, submerging coastal agriculture as well as towns and cities. Water famines due to the depletion of fresh water will create unrest and eventually make countries go to war. These are some of the environmental problems related to an increasing human population that we are going to face in our near future. These effects can be averted by creating a mass environmental awareness that will bring about a change in people's way of life. So, before going into the topic, you should know certain terminologies of this topic. So, let us see about the population terminologies. First one is, we have to know what is population. So, the picture shows the population of the crowded population. So, you can define it as a group of individuals living in a given area at a given time. And population density, it is defined as the number of individuals of the population per unit area or per unit volume. So, this picture shows a dense population of the globe. And what are the factors influencing population size? There are 4 factors which contribute to population size. Natality or birth rate, it is the number of live births per 1000 people in a given year. Second one is mortality or death rate, it is the number of deaths per 1000 people in a given year. And immigration, it denotes the number of individuals arriving from neighboring population. And emigration, it denotes the number of individuals moving from original population to new areas. Next, let us see what is population growth. It is a rapid growth of the globe's population, and for the past 100 years, it's a result of the differences between the rate of birth and death. What are the characteristics of population growth? Population growth shows a dramatic increase in global population in the past 160 years. So, first characteristic is exponential growth. If the population growth takes place exponentially as 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3 and 10 power 4, etc., it is exponential growth, and for the past 160 years we are facing an exponential growth in our population. Next characteristic is a doubling time. The time needed for the population to double its size at a constant annual rate is known as doubling time. It is calculated as per the formula TD is equal to 70 by R, where TD is the doubling time in years and R is the annual growth rate. This graph shows the doubling time that is through which our population has increased. And next factor is total fertility rate. It is defined as the average number of children born to a woman in her lifetime. And next, the infant mortality rate. It is the percentage of infants died out of those born in an year. Next is the male-female ratio. It is the ratio between the number of boys to number of girls in a given area. Then the life expectancy. It is the average age up to which a newborn infant is expected to attain in a particular country. Next one is the demographic transition. The fall in death rates and birth rates due to the improved living condition is known as demographic transition. This results in low population growth. Next characteristic is zero population growth. When the birth number plus the immigration number is equal to the death number and the immigration number, it is said to be a zero population growth. So this is the just an introduction which gives some details about the population growth and the characteristics of population growth, and we have in the initial slides we have seen about the impacts of growing population. So after this lecture you can be able to define population density and how to calculate population density, and you can define doubling time and give the formula to calculate the doubling time. So hope you all enjoyed this video and understood the concepts. So thank you for watching, or thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.